Hey, what's up, everybody? Back again for another video. Just want to show you guys my old console lid. This one's all torn up, ripped up. But yeah, got this one installed, cleaned it up as best I could, put some conditioner on it. Looks a lot better. This by far is not perfect. I mean, it has some slight cracks, very minor slight cracks, but overall, I mean, it is in great condition. I'll give this about a good solid 8 out of 10. Nothing's broken, everything's there. I was able to find that today. I was very happy. I was debating on whether I should, only because I wasn't sure about the price, but I only paid $15 for this replacement lid, so it worked out great. And there's my old one. So there you have it, guys. I try to take care of my car as best I can. Try to keep out a lookout for things as best I can. And it all works out for the best. That's gonna do it, guys. Ooh, it's cold out here. Well, as always, thank you for watching. And on to the next video. Much respect. Take care out there. Drive safe.